Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to move a pen tool selection in Photoshop. Okay. Select pen tool, click shape or path as you wish. I click the shape and then hold Ctrl and select the pen tool selection. Move. Hold Ctrl. Move it. Hold Ctrl. Move it. Select point. Then move it. And hold Alt R, cross it, remove this, hold Control, move it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.